morning, children. Today we'll start chapter 11, Employee Selection Process. In this lesson, we are going to discuss meaning and definition of employee selection process, steps in employee selection process, factor influencing selection process, importance of selection, selection differ from requirement, then placement, significance of placement, principles of placement. Employee selection process. Employee selection can range from a very simple process to a very complicated process. This is no standard universally accepted selection process adopted by all organizations. The selection process may be adapted depending upon the nature of job and organizations. The process may differ from organization to organization. The selection process includes a number of steps: screening the application forms, test, interview, checking of reference, physical examination and approval by appropriate authority, and handing over the selected candidates to organization and placement section. Definition. According to Delhi Order, selection is the process in which the candidates for employment are divided into two classes: those who are to be offered employment and those who are not. David and Robbins' definition. Selection is a managerial decision-making process as to predict which job applicant will be successful if hired. Steps in employee selection process. Application blank, scrutinizing the applications, selection test, interview, physical examination, reference check, approval of higher authority, final selection, contract of employment. Application blank. The companies provide pre-printed application form or direct the candidate to download the forms, upload on their respective websites. It is not possible for recruitment agency to call all applicants for interview. Hence, the selection has to revolve some criteria to shortlist the number of applicants for the interview. Selection test. Various tests are conducted to ensure whether the candidate possesses the necessary qualification to fit into the various positions in the organization. Selection test is classified into two. One is ability test, another one is personality test. First we will discuss one by one. Under that, ability test. Ability test measures skill, mental aptitude, problem solving, knowledge, intelligence, etc. of a candidate. Aptitude test measures the set of skill required to perform a given job. It is measured in 12 ways. Achievement test measures the capacity to achieve in a particular field. It is also called as performance test. Intelligence test. It measures a variety of mental ability and individual capacity of a candidate. The main aim is to be obtain an idea of the person's intelligence potential. Judgment test. This test is conducted to test the presence of mind and reasoning capacity of the candidates. Personality test. This test is conducted to find the non-intellectual traits of a candidate. It is divided into four types. Interest test. It measures a candidate's extent of interest in a particular area so that the organization can assign the job which suits their team. Personality inventory test. This method used to find out the candidate's traits like interpersonal rapport, dominance, introvertness, extrovertness, self-confidence, etc. Projective test. This measures the candidate's value, attitude, apprehensive personality, etc. out of the interpretation. Attitude test. This measures the candidate's tendencies towards the people, situation, action, and related things. For example, moral study, value study, social responsibility, etc. to measure the attitude of the candidate. Interview and its various types. First, we should understand what is interview. Interview represents a face-to-face interaction between the interviewer and the interviewee. Various types of interview are shown in the figure. Types of interview: screening or telephone interview, in-depth interview, video conference, group, panel, preliminary, stress, structured or guided or planned interview, unstructured interview, online interview. Preliminary interview. This interview is to see whether applicants are suitable for both mentally and physically. Team of experts conduct their interview preliminary to eliminate those who are unqualified and unfit candidate. This helps the employer organization to cut cost and time in selection process. Structured or guided or planned interview. Structured interview. This interview is a standardized way of comparing job candidates. The employer creates interview questions focused on the skills and abilities the company is seeking. Unstructured interview. Unstructured interview is quite contrary to structured interview. There is no pre-prepared questions. Panel interview, where a group of people interview the candidates. It is called panel interview. It ensures more reliability in the selection of the candidates. Stress interview. Stress interview is conducted to set the emotional balance of the candidates interviewed. Interviewers creates stressful situation. Telephone interview. This interview is conducted for the people who lives far away from the organization. It is typically called as phone screening. Online interview. In these days, interviews are conducted by means of interview via Skype, WeChat, Google Do, video chat. They saves a lot of time, money and energy. Group interview. A group interview is a screening process where interview multiple candidates at the same time. Instead of spending 5 hours interviewing 5 candidates individually, 1 hour can be spent interviewing time in a group. Video conferencing interview. This interview is a kind of conference call that connects the candidates with companies located across various geographies. Physical examination. The last technique used in selection process is medical examination. physical fitness of the candidates under selection to be job concerned. Reference check. Application blank contains a column for the candidate to furnish the list of persons to be conducted for reference purpose. Approval by higher authority. Selection committee sends the list of candidates selected with some candidates kept in waiting list for approval by higher authority. Final selection. The successful candidates who passed through various stages of selection process will be called for final interview. Contract of employment. After the final selection process is completed, certain documents are expected to be signed both by the organization and the candidates. In-depth interview. To test the level of knowledge of the interviewee, the candidate can explain his skills, qualification, experience in a detailed manner. Children, in this video we discussed meaning and definition of selection, standard steps for selection process. After finishing this lesson, you must learn what is selection, what is an interview, what is intelligence test, what is stress interview, what is structured interview. You must learn. These are the question answer. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.